Education may be optional, but leadership isn't. Let me explain. Not all of us in India have access to education on what climate change is, the science and the impact. However, every single one of us today are living with the impacts of climate change. And the youth, they are growing up in an era of change. An era of change in climate, of change in potential careers, a change in what the job market might look like. And that is where the Climate Leadership Program steps in. Born out of the simple idea that every young person, no matter what background and what skills they have, should have the knowledge, the tools, and the resources to drive climate action right where they are.
Our curriculum acknowledges that climate change is not an isolated issue only connected to the weather systems. Rather, it is something that impacts our day-to-day life, whether it's social, political, or our economic systems. Therefore, our curriculum covers all these intersectionalities of climate change in the training and also imparts the cohort with practical green skills. Information is very easily available. What is rare is community. And that is a major USP of the Climate Leadership Program, where we have intentionally created peer-to-peer networking and collaboration spaces where the cohort can share, co-learn, be vulnerable, and maybe even find their 3 a.m. friends.
I think what stood out to me from the cohorts was, the curiosity, the great energy that everyone brought to the activities, the openness to think about climate change critically, to think about solutions, and it was really nice to see everyone listen to each other and be open to different perspectives.
One of my favorite sessions was around managing eco-anxiety. And why do I say it is because there's so much happening in the world around us, and sometimes it feels that the little things that we are doing are not creating a big impact. Via the eco-anxiety session, we learned how to detach ourselves from what is happening outside from time to time, just manage our anxiety and then come back to the cause.
जब PCI ने मुझे क्लाइमेट लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम के लिए सिलेक्ट किया था, मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई थी ये सुन के कि मुझे भी सीखने का मौका मिल रहा है। उनके दिए गए सारे क्लासेस से मुझे बहुत मदद मिली क्लाइमेट चेंज के बारे में सीखने के लिए।
You are climate leaders of today and tomorrow. Very important element of this leadership is to lead by example. Exemplify the values that truly count in making the difference that you're making, not just to the generation you're able to coexist with today, but also for many, many, many generations to come.